welcome back. I finally got my order from Brookside Orchids. They've been holding this for me for, I know, a good 6 weeks, if not longer, because the temperatures here in Colorado at night were not conducive to shipping. So they did ship this out on Monday. It is now Friday. I just received these a little bit ago. I have let them kind of sit and acclimate prior to getting ready to open them up. But I was watering some of the ladies and the dogs got to barking and I'm like, hush, stop, it's just people walking by. And then I looked out the window and I saw FedEx, and then I saw him walking towards my house and I was like, yes, my Brooksides are here. Now, I could have went back into my order to see what I ordered, but because it's been so long, I want to be surprised. So I do not remember what I ordered, to be honest with you. So let's just get in this box and see what we have. And these guys, I tell you, I love their customer service. They are just amazing, because when I placed the order, they, after it processed and everything, they sent me an email and they asked me if I wanted them to hold the order or cancel it because it was too cool to ship. So I came back with, well, you know, our daytime temperatures are blah, blah, blah. And they said, yes, but your nighttime temperatures are still too low. I said, well, hold my order, please. So once a week, they sent me an email letting me know the status of what was going on. And then finally, they sent the email saying, your shipment is going out on Monday. All right, so as always, they pack so beautifully. And I actually followed the directions and kind of guessed from the bottom. So we have one package here. Now, I know it should just be 2 orchids if I remember correctly. Like I said, I could have gone into my little order history, but I've tried to stay away from that because I want to be surprised. And it is all, let's just cut the bag so we can get everything out. And I was actually, later on today, I said, oh, let me go to like Trader Joe's, Lowe's, Home Depot, check, see what they've got going on. But now I got these. Now, will this cure my little need for wanting to get a new orchid? Let's hope so. And these guys package so well. So well. I just can't say enough about this company. I really can't. They are definitely my favorite go-to. And fortunate for me, I don't live near them. I would be in so much trouble. All right. So let's see here. And okay, let's take the little fuzzies off here. I remember now, on one of them anyway. Look how ingenious this is, guys. This is my 2 orchids, right? So they put the stick and then they put the mount on the stick inside here so they could package it all together and it could stay nice and safe. Oh my goodness. And it's on there with a rubber band. Is that not just ingenious? Oh my goodness. Again, I cannot say enough about this company. I absolutely adore them. Now let's see if I can do this without messing anything up. Take the rubber band off. This, I believe, is the Lindlie. If I, like I said, remembered correctly. But you know, sometimes our brains do not. Yes, this is the Dendrobium Lindlie. This is the one with the pretty, I believe, like orangey yellow flowers. And look at the growths on that. That is very nice. She is going to need some water, or he's going to need some water. And look, the roots are already attaching to the back. That is great. I was trying to see if there was any new growth. I do see quite a few root tips on here, though. If you look right in there, you can see new root tips growing with just a hint of moss. And it is on a wonderful piece of cork bark that it will stay on. And this is the one that grows fat, and it has the pseudobulbs that already have kind of wrinkles in them, so it's kind of hard to tell sometimes if they need water or not, because a lot of times our dendrobium canes, bulbs, whatever you want to call them, will shrivel and indicate that they need water. Now, she obviously needs water. I mean, she is dry, but oh my goodness, she is such a lovely, lovely plant. It looks like this is where the new growth is. Looks like these are all the older growths, but some of this looks kind of new as well. I don't see any new growths coming off of her, but that doesn't mean anything. Okay, well, there's that one. Get off of that, Trish. And then this one is a Cattleya from the looks of it. She looks, excuse me, she looks like she's a monofoliate. So we'll see. And yes, like I've been saying, I could have looked at the order to see what I was getting, but you know, it's more fun when you surprise yourself as far as like, oh, I ordered that? I don't remember ordering that. Okay, now her, I will have to add some, no, I won't. Oh my goodness, again, look at that. They put the pot inside a bigger pot and wrapped it with paper. Love these guys. But we're going to take her out because I've got to see what she looks like inside if I can. Let's get the paper. Oh, she is in here snug as a bug. Oh my goodness. There we go. Look at that. Just ingenious. Ingenious. Alrighty. So this is the LC Mini Purple Variation Karula. Blue Hawaii 4N crossed with self. I am not sure if that is even in focus. Let me see if I can get it to focus there. Maybe. There we go. Oh my goodness. Let's see. So she's got lots of roots in this pot. I don't know how many of them are viable, but we can see roots here. She was grown on from a seedling, and we have this new growth right here. So this is our previous growth. And I will clean her up and see if she has some roots coming. And if she does, I'll give her some fresh media. I'll probably put her back in this pot depending on how the roots look, if they're still big enough. And I do see new root growth growing. I do. But I will have to let them get a little bit longer. Now with our monofoliate Cattleyas, they're not quite as particular as our bifoliates. But with all the Cattleya, I have learned that maybe waiting for new roots is probably the best thing. But look at her. And if I can find a picture of the blooms, they're like a purpley lilac color. They're really, really pretty and fluffy. If I can find the picture, I will post it. Otherwise, we'll just have to wait for her to bloom for me. And there they are. My Lindlie and the LC Mini Purple Variation Karula. All right, and I'll post the day I ordered these, just so we kind of know how long I've been waiting for these ladies. All right, well, we'll watch them progress over the season and maybe get a bloom from this one. I think this one is about a year or two away from blooming from what I remember, and then this one is near blooming size, possibly blooming this season. So we will just have to wait and see. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you coming by and watching me open my present to myself. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of the day, and we'll see you on the next one. There it goes. There they are. All right. See you on the next one.